Hello, dear all. Welcome to my YouTube channel and blog. Today I am going to explain to you the importance of joining online course. Dear friends, many times we read books, we take education, but this education is not helpful in the practical life. Not helpful in the sense it's not useless, but definitely it gives you power of grasping. But let me give you example of one of the founders, world's best computer Apple, is Steve Jobs. He was a college dropout. And why? Because he wanted to learn the subject of his choice. Dear friends, when he was dropped out from college, he developed computer, and today keyboard, computers and all Apple phones and laptop is because of him.
Hello dear all. Myself Sanjeev Pendarkar, Director of Eco Laboratories. With my 45 years of experience in the field of business management, I am coming up with an online course to guide those individuals who want to become entrepreneur and successful businessmen. You can register for the online course through the link given in the description. Thank you very much.
When you get up in the morning, there is a confusion in the mind which work is to be done rather. So online course teaches you to divide your work in 4 categories, because we come across 4 categories of work. First is urgent and important, second is important but not urgent, third is urgent but not important, and fourth is not urgent, not important. So most of us spend time in third and fourth. For example, many drop-in visitors are just come for chit-chatting, like people gather on chai ki tapri, and they discuss about the world politics which is not connected to their goal or their mission. It's not going to fetch any results. Phone is ringing, but you don't have to answer every call if it is not in alignment of your goal. So online course teaches you importance of time management. Dear friends, you get to know so many things if you join online course, and if you spend certain amount, which is a meager amount, because you are going to get a lot of knowledge which is not taught in the theoretical books. When you come to practical life, this theory you forget, because online course decide you that suppose if you want to go to Mahabaleshwar and via Bombay is Mahabaleshwar, then when you come to Bombay, then you come to know this is a place where I can fulfill my goal. Like Sachin Tendulkar found out his passion. He is a 12th standard pass student, but he was passionate about his goal of becoming number 1 batsman in the world. And he has proved it. At 2 o'clock in the night, he used to practice in the veranda, because at 2 o'clock he cannot go to any stadium or Maidan or whatever. So online course makes you focus and in alignment with your goal. How goals are to be selected. Dear friends, therefore do join online courses of genuine people Like Vico Laboratories, we have history of 68 years. So we can tell you where you can go wrong. So if you learn from experiences of other, you don't make similar mistakes. Similarly, you get to know so many clues how to earn money sitting at home, how to improve your public relations, how to be in alignment with your customers, how to do tuning with people, and how to work with difference. Because it is said, if two people always agree, one of them is not required. So value of difference is the essence of synergy. So how think win-win attitude is there, and overall development of you, your family, and your kids. If you like this video, please share it maximum and write in the comment box. And if you have not visited my website, please do visit. It's www.sanjeevpendarkar.com and immediately join online course, because there is a limited time offer. I'm giving valuable time at a very minimum nominal throwaway price. So please join that, because my intention is for upbringing of society and to do a lot of good work and to earn everyone's blessing. Thank you very much for patient hearing.
मित्रांनो, तुम्ही माझ्या वेबसाईटला व्हिजिट करायला विसरू नका. आणि वेबसाईटचा ॲड्रेस आहे www.sanjeevpendarkar.com.